Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about priming porous substrates using Taylor Zephyr. Now, Taylor Zephyr is a multifunctional product. It can be used for moisture control, encapsulation, or primer. But for our purpose today, we're going to use it as a primer. Now, if you're going over gypcrete, lightweight concrete, plywood, or OSB, and you want to prime that substrate to prevent overabsorption of your adhesive, Taylor Zephyr will do the trick. It's a very simple product to work with. You simply apply it using a 3/8" nap roller. And once it's dry, you're ready to install. This area here was applied about 30 minutes ago. You can see it's completely dry. It's got a little bit of a glossy finish. It's easy to tell where the wet primer is and where the dry primer is. So if you have a porous substrate or a dusty substrate, you need to eliminate the porosity of the substrate or just consolidate the dust, Taylor Zephyr is your answer.